Anytime this is the latest storm, just out in the back of my apartment complex. There's my car. Had about maybe 7 inches of snow since midnight last night. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Good morning. Another snowy Tuesday morning, huh? This is 9th Street, looking north. Avenue, right in the corner there. I'm walking north on 9th Street now. Of course, this is Fargo, North Dakota. As of this morning, this is the snowiest December ever. We've had just shy of 3 feet of snow since December 1st. This is now the 30th of December, 2008. A little bit of wind, not a lot, which makes it a little bit better. It's gusting about maybe 20 to 25. So we don't get a whole lot of wind, but it's supposed to pick up later on, but hopefully the snow should be done by about noon, between noon and 3 o'clock this afternoon. They say it should be done. Coming up to 8th Avenue North. I'm going to go west on 8th Avenue North. There's east on 8th Avenue towards Merit Care. See the lights down there. Now we're going west on 8th Avenue North. Street up ahead is 10th Street. There's one way going north, Tom. Now we're looking back east on 8th Avenue again, Tom. Again, going west, going towards Sunmark. Gonna pick up a little groceries, maybe have a cup of coffee, warm up a little bit. Okay, we're coming up to 8th Avenue and University Drive, Tom. Off to our left is the Auto Zone, right on the corner of 8th Avenue and University. And to the right is the laundromat called the Bison Hall. It's a laundromat tanning salon in there. And here's the corner, University Drive, Bjornsson, and the Sunmark store. Okay, here's Bjornsson. Again, looking west on 8th Avenue. Going into the driveway in Sunmark. Coming up from the north end of the store here. Right through the windows we'll be having coffee and breakfast. Yeah. There's a little coffee shop right in front where people can drive up and grab a cup of coffee. Cousin Sub in the corner. Now entering Sunmark. Okay, Tom, I'm just leaving Sunmark now. Still snowing. Was there about an hour and a half or so. We probably got in the ground maybe 8+ inches right now for the storm. Still looking. Now walking east on 8th Avenue North, heading towards Americare and that. I guess it was snowing pretty heavy when I was in Sunmark. I was there for an hour and a half. We must have picked up another 1.5 inches or so, so we've got to be close to 8.5 inches. They predicted 5, we're well over that. Like I say, we needed a 4.7 inches prior to this storm to have the snowiest December ever. We're well beyond that. We're close to 3 feet for December now. 3 feet of snow, and the wind's picked up quite a bit. It's blowing a lot harder now than it was prior to me coming to Sunmark. So, looking back west now, towards Sunmark and University. Of January. Two days left to the end of 2008, thank God. Hopefully January will warm up and be less snow. Yeah, right. I gotta get going on that one. Okay. Try to turn it off so I get back home.